buddy. Have a nice slip down the hill. I got that one.
We got the arrow. Can you believe that?
Whoa!
Save money and you have nothing to lose. Because if for any reason your blinds don't fit, even if it was your mistake, we will remake the blinds with a different size needed free of charge. You only pay shipping. And we also guarantee you can install the blinds with our 60-day satisfaction guarantee on the product.
They backed into me. You did it! They backed up. Oh my god! They backed in. You see the reverse lights on? How can you yell at me like that?
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
No. Right in front of a cop. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, it's because I'm driving. There's a guy who's making an illegal U-turn right in front of a cop.
Oh gosh. That guy's an idiot.
Yes, he is. Yeah, he's getting pulled over right now. The cop's going after him.
Heck yeah, I would.
Yeah. Wow, what a dumbass. Okay, I'm sorry. So.
I'm good. I'm good. Yeah.
Take it easy for a minute.
I'm alright.
Okay.
Nothing's broken.
Okay. Just gather your thoughts.
Well, I got that on video. Fuck. I got that on video, buddy. You're screwed.
Are you there?
Yep.
What are you reviewing?
We're talking about Maggie and Roar.
What's Roar other than the Katy Perry song written by
Roar
Jackman?
is quite possibly the most insane movie ever produced by human hand.
Oh, wait a minute! No, 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 no! I want to know! I want to see this! I want to see this! This is crazy!
Where did that come from?
Oh my God! That's oh my! Wait, wait a minute! What is it? Oh no! Hang on! Hang on! You got to you want to know?
Yeah. Tailgating them will make them go way faster. Oh. Nice. I don't know if that's a fake cop or not, but wow. He backed the fuck off. It will make them go way faster.
Oh shit! Holy shit! What the
Oh. 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 Oh shit.
Yeah, no move, no move.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Move your leg.
No move, stand there.
I'm okay.
No, stand there.
Can you stand up?
I think so, yeah. Nothing's broken.
Did a car come?
Yeah.
Him?
That's right. I was green, I think.
Yeah, that
I was green, right? I was going straight, yeah.
for us to go.
Yeah.
It was red.
Did she get out of the car?
No, he's going to go.
Fuck.
You want to come on the ground?
Yeah, let me move over.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It's okay.